Today I want to talk about your instincts. Trust them. It is what sets you apart from all the other actors. So, rather than thinking about when you're preparing, what does the director want? How should I say this line? Ooh, I remember when, this line was kind of like blah, blah, blah said in a movie. Forget that. Trust your instincts. Now, that doesn't mean don't prepare. It doesn't mean just go by the seat of your pants. But what it does mean is I have seen a lot when actors come in and let's say they do the first performance and I give them a callback. So then they come back, let's say it's a week later, and it's a totally different performance because they continue to study and think and analyze and critique their own work. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with method acting. It's fine. But what I am saying, you can become too mechanical because you're thinking of this, hitting this and hitting that and hitting this and hitting that. Don't. Just don't. Trust your instincts. Of course, find different levels within a scene. Always try to find the most important point or the most emotional point of a scene so you can use that to give the scene shape. You always want to try to give a scene shape, and I can talk about shape in another one, but don't overanalyze, overcritique yourself, because what's going to happen is your insecurities, not that you would have any, and I certainly know nothing about insecurities, although I've read a couple pamphlets on it. What they will do is they'll tell you messages that wasn't good, or that was too this, or that wasn't enough of this. Trust your instincts. It is your gift.